Have you ever listened to a song and thought, what if this was in a different genre? We have all been there, and we have seen and heard cover songs. Rock versions, reggae versions, acoustic covers, etc. Today we're going to do exactly that with Suno AI. I'm going to show you how to take a song you've already made and, using Suno's cover feature, transform it into something brand new. Let's jump in. Okay, so here's our starting point. I have a reggae track I produced a while back. It's got that classic laid-back groove, a deep bass line with a tropical feel. Have a listen.
Waves roll up and kiss my toes. Sand so warm it soothes my soul. The sky's a canvas painted gold. No clock to chase, no race to run.
I love that. You feel that vibe, right? Classic tropical reggae. So let's make a cover for it. First, I'm in my Suno library, and here in the song, click the three dots next to it, go to Remix Edit in the menu, and select the cover option. This brings up the creative space for the cover feature. Suno has loaded my track, and it has automatically detected the original lyrics. But the real power is in the Style of Music box. In here, I'll type Acoustic Country. That's it. And in the advanced options, we do have the option of auto lyrics, but for this example, I will stay with the same original lyrics. I'll set the style influence slider to 100% to make sure it really nails that country feel, and the audio influence to 25%, which gives Suno some creative freedom with the performance. Let's hit create and see what it comes up with. All right, it's done. Originally, this was a reggae track. Let's see how it sounds now.
Sand so warm it soothes my soul. The sky's a canvas painted gold. No clock to chase, no race to run. Just me, the sea, and the setting sun. Let it all slow down, slow down. Feel the breeze in this beach town. Life's too short to wear a frown. Let it all slow down, slow down. Palm trees sway, they hum a tune.
How incredible is that? The original melody is still recognizable, but the entire mood has shifted. The bass line is replaced with warm acoustic guitar, the rhythm is gentle, and the vocal style is completely different too. That's the magic of a simple genre change. But we can go deeper. What if I like this new country style, but the old reggae lyrics about beaches and sunshine just don't fit anymore? Let's rewrite the story. We have the same acoustic country genre in the style box. But this time, I'm going to toggle in the auto lyrics mode. Here you can choose the lyric model, classic or Remy. I will choose the more creative Remy model for this. I will type old towns, sheriffs, horses, western country vibes. Hopefully they will fit in better with our country genre. We will keep the sliders the same, and let's hit create again.
In a broke down town, in a broke down county, I was sheriff of Babylon. The lonesome pines kept me company, and my boots was never worn. So long, I've been waiting so long for the day to be born. So long, I've been waiting so long for the day to be born.
There it is. Same melody, same acoustic feel, but a completely new story. This gives you total control to adapt your song to any theme you can imagine. Alright, that time. We let Suno write the lyrics for us. But we can also put in the lyrics manually as well. Here I will go into ChatGPT, and I will ask for a set of lyrics that has themes of old towns and memories. Let's try it. I will set the lyrics mode back to manual, and I'm going to paste the lyrics in the box. Keep sliders the same. Let's hit create and see what happens.
There's a rusted sign by the county line, faded paint, but the name still shines. It's where I learned how to drive too fast on dirt roads that were built to last. The old cafe's got the same sweet tea.
It worked. Our cover song now has a different story that we fed it from ChatGPT. This new set of lyrics had nothing to do with the rhythm of the song. It is completely independent. Yet somehow Suno still manages to create a cover that has the same melody as our original reggae song. I think that is just amazing. The cover feature isn't just about making copies. It's about exploring every possibility hidden within your music. I hope this guide gave you some powerful new ideas. If it did, a subscribe is always appreciated. Now, go find one of your old songs and ask yourself, what else could this be? Thanks for watching.